Updated RCM list, services covered under RCM, effective from January 2025. 1. Goods Transport Agency, GTA. If a transport agency delivers goods to a factory, society, corporate, or any registered person, the receiver pays GST. 2. Advocates and legal services. Lawyers, including senior advocates, providing services to business entities. The business pays GST, not the advocate. 3. Arbitration services. Arbitral tribunals settling disputes. If the client is a business entity, they pay the GST. 4. Sponsorship services. Starting 16th January 2025, if a company or partnership firm receives sponsorship, they must pay GST. 5. Government services. When the government provides services to businesses, except renting, postal, transport, etc., the business pays GST. 5A and 5R. Renting property. Government renting property. If it's to a GST registered person, the tenant pays GST. 5A. Renting non-residential property, from 10th October 2024. An unregistered landlord renting out a shop. The GST registered tenant pays GST. 5B and 5C. Land rights and development. Builders receiving floor space index, FSI, or long-term lease land. The promoter pays GST. 6. Directors' services. Directors providing services to their own company. The company pays GST. 7. Insurance agents. Insurance agents selling policies. The insurance company pays GST. 8. Recovery agents. Bank loans in default. If a recovery agent is involved, the bank pays GST. 9. Copyright transfers. Writers, artists, and musicians selling copyright to a publisher or music label. The publisher pays GST. 9A. Authors licensing to publishers. Authors licensing books to publishers. If they are GST registered, the publisher pays GST. 10. RBI Overseeing Committee. Members advising the RBI. The RBI pays GST. 11. Direct selling agents, DSAs. Individual DSAs selling loans for banks. The bank or NBFC pays GST. 12 and 13. Business facilitators and correspondents. Helping banks with transactions. The bank pays GST. 14. Security services. Providing security guards. If the client is a registered business, they pay GST. 15. Renting motor vehicles. Taxi service with fuel included. If a company rents it, the company pays GST. 16. Lending securities, SCBI. Stock market lending. The borrower under SCBI rules pays GST. Reverse charge shifts tax responsibility. Confused about GST? Drop your questions in the comments. Follow for more easy GST insights.